Why do we need to learn? The question, why do we need to learn, may seem simple, yet it touches the very essence of human existence. We learn not only to read and write, but also to understand the world, to know ourselves, and to build the future we desire. Without learning, we remain trapped in the cycle of limitation. No progress, no growth, no discovery of our true potential. First, we learn to survive and adapt. The world is constantly changing. Knowledge today may become outdated tomorrow. Learning equips us with the tools not to be left behind. A person who refuses to learn is like rowing a boat without knowing the wind's direction, easily swept away, struggling to control their own life. Through learning, we gain the ability to adapt, acquiring new skills, understanding new technologies, and overcoming unprecedented challenges. Second, we learn to understand ourselves and expand our limits. Many people live their whole lives without truly knowing what they want or what they are capable of. Learning is a journey of self-discovery. Every lesson, every experience reflects our abilities and dreams. From there, we recognize our strengths and weaknesses and how to develop them. A lifelong learner is not afraid of failure, because each failure becomes a profound lesson. Third, we learn for freedom. A thriving society requires citizens who can think independently, reason critically, and make sound decisions. Learning is not only about absorbing information, but also about training the mind so we are not easily swayed by prejudice, misinformation, or manipulation. With understanding, we gain the freedom to choose our own path, rather than depending entirely on fate or the arrangements of others. Fourth, we learn to contribute and leave a legacy. Everyone desires a meaningful life. Learning allows us to create value. A doctor saves lives through medical knowledge. An engineer builds a bridge connecting two sides of a river. A teacher sows the seeds of wisdom for the next generation. Without learning, we only consume. With learning, we truly contribute. And it is this contribution that becomes our legacy, ensuring we are remembered. Lastly, we learn for happiness. Happiness does not come from complacency, but from the sense of growth and the joy of doing what once seemed impossible. Learning gives us purpose. Each day becomes a step forward. A person who stops learning soon finds life stagnant, while a lifelong learner always has a reason to move ahead. In conclusion, we learn not merely because schools or society demand it, but above all for ourselves, to survive, to be free, to grow, to contribute, and to be happy. Learning is never too late. As long as we still wish to improve, the path of learning will always remain open. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Alingo channel to listen and learn English with many more useful lessons.